Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove your iCloud account. Open this program and here you need to complete your country, iPhone model, email, iOS version. But first, don't forget connect your device, your iPhone, with your USB cable. Don't forget to connect your iPhone. iPhone has been connected successfully. And close and click on remove iCloud. Now waiting. And here you need to get information for receive your new account, email and password. I have email and password. He was downloaded by me. This is the site where you can download. I will close now because I have the password and email iCloud. Here, and I will copy and paste on my software. Copy this email, paste here, and password need to be typed. And to finish, click to active. Now maybe you need to wait in some minutes, but it's great. Enjoy your iPhone.